way I stretch out my hair, I would usually just have it in either 3 or 4 sections. Alright, so I already went ahead to take out my hair, and this is what it looks like. The only product I have in it right now is just I have my Shea Moisture Leave-In Conditioner. So this is the rubber band I got from my local beauty store. I'm going to be using this, and to coat it and just to prevent it from breaking my hair from getting tangly and all, I'm using this baby oil. I would have normally used my regular oil, but I don't even know where it is right now. I just went in to add my baby oil into the rubber band, and the reason why we're doing this is just to prevent our hair from getting tangled up in the rubber band. And the shine and jam I'm using today is a different one. It's this red one, and the reason why I'm using this red one is because it's a lot stronger. The hold lasts longer than this yellow one. I also have the yellow one, so it's your preference. I want this hair to last me up to the weekend. So today is currently Wednesday night, and I want it to last up to the weekend for a week or more. So I'm using the shine and jam in the red one. It lasts longer, so I'm just gonna coat a little bit of this shine and jam onto this hair. all done, and I'm loving it. Hope you guys can see that's what we're looking like. And something else I figured out about this is the fact that you can always rock it this way as well. And I do have a little bit left from the 3-pack. So this is what I have left for the 3-pack. So you can also always rock your hair this way.